Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today I had a little bit of leftover resin from another project I was working on, and it was emerald green. And I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to put it in the backing of this. And I'm going to make a bracelet out of it. Let's go ahead and just put a little bit more emerald in there to make it a little bit darker. I know you shouldn't put a lot of mica powder in there, but you know what? I think we should be just fine. It does cure like it's supposed to. Mica powder is one of the few things you can put a little bit too much in. So stir it up real good. That's better. Because these aren't going to be very thick. They're just going to be a little dab in there. Just as a background. You could use UV resin in this as well. But it was just something that I thought, why not? This way I know for a fact it'll cure. And it'll be nice and flat. And I don't have to worry about the window. And those are some water slide stickers that I got. They're for nail art. But I'm going to put them in here after this layer cures. There. It won't take long for this layer to cure. Next layer, I'm going to use UV resin. Just so that it goes to the edges and doesn't come apart or come out. Go. We'll get a little bit more in there in each one. Just a tiny bit, just a drop. Just so that it stays to the edges. And it stays green. One more drop. There we go. And I will be back for the next step once these are cured. All right, these are nice and cured. I've got some flowers picked out that I'm going to put on them. Just cut. This is some water slide little pictures that I got off of Temu. Oop, protective seal came off of that one. I will show you how to work water slide pictures. I do it a little different than what it says. What you're supposed to do is soak these in water and then slide them off on there. I just put water on the back and slide it off. Some of this protective stuff is coming off. But I'm going to turn this into a nice, pretty bracelet. Okay. These are just ones I got off of Temu. If there's any protective on it, just take it off. Okay. And this one is going to go on the center one, and these are going to go on either side. I got my little water container out. Come on, stay. It's hard to work with little pieces. And then just wet the paper. You kind of work with it like you would tattoos. Okay, I'm just getting my little scry. And then you just kind of slide it off onto the item you're working on. Come on, let go. And get it where you want it. Okay. That works. This piece of some water right there. I just figured I'd use it. Just be careful you don't rip it. Okay. Okay, and one more. Come on. And you can do these like you would tattoos, or you can just use them like water slides, like I just did. Go. Go. Now you let those dry. And once they're dry, they're ready to be used by putting a top coat on them. But I got to wait for them to completely dry before I put a top coat on it, because water and resin does not mix. Okay, I'll be back. On them. Well, I went to check on them and I saw that this flower folded over, which does not make me happy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another water flower. That should work. Actually, I want this one. And I'm going to put that one on instead. I was literally getting ready to put some UV resin on it. When I looked at it, it makes me very aggravated to see that. Okay, let's wet this paper. It's out of the way so I don't accidentally wet them. I'm just going to slide this on top of that. I can't believe it tripped over. But that's okay. You know, on this channel, we pivot a lot. I tried unfolding it, it wouldn't unfold, so. Well, that doesn't look good either. Okay. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. I think I found something. Something that'll match those two almost. These are some little wooden flowers. Put one in there. I think that's going to look a lot prettier. What do you think? No, those aren't going to work. Not in there. But I think that'll work in there. Okay, that's pretty. I feel a little more happier about it. Let me go ahead and get my UV resin. I just put some in a little black bottle so it's easier to work with. I'm going to take the needle out, maybe. And I might leave it in there. Might make it easier. And just squeeze them in there to fill them up. Now these have a lot of bubbles. That one did, that first one. See all those bubbles? So we get our little lighter. And pop those bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. This just makes it a little easier to put the resin in a small area. Putting a nice little round dome on them. Okay, here we go. All right, I've got them done. Let's go ahead and make a bracelet out of them. I've got these nice, lovely pieces of bracelets. They are so nice. You just hook whatever to them right here, and these slide open and closed. So let's go ahead and get some small split rings. I think I want a smaller one than that. I want the smallest I can get to put them together. This should work. Even though they're tiny. You just push them together. Let's open a little bit. There, we'll squish it together and squish, squish, squish. Okay. Let's get another little bitty one. I like my little ring here. It makes it easier to hold these things so I don't have to hold two sets of pliers. There we go. Okay, these should open as well. Thought about changing these out, but then I'm thinking to myself, no, because if I did, I may not be able to put it back in the hole there. Might fall off. So we'll just use what we've got. Gather. Sometimes that happens when you go to put them in there. They tend to stay in there. Well, I guess it helps if I put them on the right way. I put this one on backwards. Easy fix. There we go. Sorry, I'm concentrating. These take a little bit to concentrate. All right, there we go. Let's put that on. There we go. I will get some good pictures of it so you can see it. Feels comfortable. I don't even feel like it's on there. Ah, well, that was not good. Maybe I ought to replace these rings. They're kind of loose. Actually, I just had the hole open. You can put a little bit of UV resin on it and it'll hold it together, which I think I might do. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour. I know I did. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And hype if you have any left, if you will. If you want to support my channel and join as a YouTube member, I have 2 tiers. And every single one of you means the world to me. You're the ones that help me get items to do the things that I can do. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.